Imagine your cryptocurrencies working for you while you sleep. It's not a dream. It's a real and tangible possibility in the world of digital finance. In a world where passivity and financial freedom are the pinnacle of economic success, cryptocurrencies offer a fascinating path to generate income without active effort on your part. Here I explain how you can turn your digital assets into a constant source of passive income. Staking. The power of participation. One of the most popular ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrencies is through staking. This is where you lock up your cryptocurrencies to maintain the operation and security of a blockchain, and in return, you receive rewards. Platforms like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Tezos offer staking where you can earn between 5% and 12% annually in rewards, depending on the network. Yield farming, the agriculture in the crypto world. Another method is yield farming, which involves lending your cryptocurrencies on decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, to earn interest. Sites like Uniswap, Compounder, and Aave allow you to deposit your cryptocurrencies and earn interest at rates that often exceed those of any traditional savings account. Masternode is the next level of staking. For those with more substantial crypto capital, setting up a masternode can be a lucrative option. A masternode does more than staking. It helps operate the network of a blockchain with specific services, and in return, you receive a portion of the block rewards. However, that requires a significant initial investment and more advanced technical knowledge. Crypto dividends, project stakes. Some cryptocurrencies offer dividends simply for holding a specific amount of coins in your wallet. Projects like Neo and Qcoin shares pay their investors a type of dividend for holding their cryptocurrencies, providing a regular stream of passive income. And you, are you ready? What did you think? Go to tokenlabs.network and create your own token or meme coin. Remember to follow us.